4 tools that can save you hours as a mompreneur. Four tools that I use that can save you hours. If you're a mom and you're a woman over 40 and you're busy, you need some help, right? Just to get all your info and content and marketing out there. But how do you do it? All right, I learned this the hard way. I figured it out on my own. There are quite a few programs that makes life easier, that doesn't require you to manually post your one video from Facebook to TikTok to YouTube to Instagram, right? There's ways that we can automate that. And let me share with you a few of those today. So welcome back. I'm Liesl Smith from the Flexible Income Club. And if you're a woman over 40 looking for a side hustle, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to discuss some of the tools that I use just to make my life easier and just to help me get myself out there, right? Because the more people that see you and your content, the more you get eyeballs on your offer. That is how they talk about it in the lingo they use, right? But basically what I'm saying is, if you can put your content out everywhere on all these different platforms, you've got more chance of people seeing you. For instance, just to name an example, I might post a video on TikTok. And on TikTok, it might get only like 200 views. I might then post that same video on YouTube. And on YouTube, that video might get over 1,000 views, right? So not saying one is better than the other, but combined, I now have 1,200 views of people who have seen my video and who know what I'm talking about now and what I'm promoting. So to make this easier, I use a few tools. Now let me share them with you. So if you're a woman over 40 and you don't know what side hustle you want to start yet, you're watching this video, you hear me talking about side hustles and what I'm doing, but you have no idea what you want to do yourself, have a look at my description. I've got a list right there of side hustles for women over 40 that you can download for free today. Let's get into it. I use these four. I'm going to just tell you the names right now, and then I'm going to give you a little description about what each one does. I use Repurpose.io, I use Opus Clips, I use Buffer, and I use Wizard. Not Wizard, Wizard. So what Repurpose.io is it if I upload something to YouTube, I make a setting on Repurpose.io that says, okay, when I upload this to YouTube, take that video and also upload it to A, B, C, and D, right? It can be TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. And how amazing is that? So that requires me to only upload it in one place. That is a real big time saver for me. I've set it up actually to do it in reverse order. So I've actually set it up that when I upload a video to TikTok, because I often record videos in TikTok, it will then upload it to Instagram, upload it to YouTube. It's like it uploads it with the description, with the cover photos, with everything, like with all my links, everything, Like how cool is that? What a big time saver is that? And then another one I use is Opus Clips. Opus Clips it makes shorter videos for you out of long form content. Like for instance, this is a YouTube video right now that I'm recording, but I want to share some of this information also on my TikTok channel. But on my TikTok channel, they prefer the portrait size videos, right? Not this YouTube size video. So what Opus Clips does, it takes my YouTube video, I upload the link to the Opus Clips site, it takes my video and then immediately with AI generates me short form videos for TikTok. So meaning like shorter videos of 1 minute long or so. And it makes them in TikTok compatible size, right? How amazing is that? Then there is Buffer. Buffer is actually like a tool that it's quite old, but it's really good for posting like written content, for instance, to Facebook or Instagram. And what I'm actually using it for at the moment is to store my ideas. Like I might think of like, I should make a video about this, or I should talk about this. I go into my Buffer app and I put it in there as a brainstorming idea. And then I know where to come back to it later to find all my ideas in one place. But then what Buffer also does, it will post for you to Facebook and to Instagram. And then lastly, I use Wizard, which sounds very weird, doesn't it? What Wizard does is it gives you nice captions also on your videos. It's much like Opus Clips, but sometimes I just use Wizard just to mix it up a bit, I go between the two of them. And both of them have like free trials. or just a certain amount of videos you can upload in a month. And so that's why I also alternate between the two of them, because right now I'm not paying for either of them. And so what's great about Visit is that it also works with Zoom recordings, but I don't recommend you record on Zoom because the picture quality is usually not that great. If you want to make videos for your YouTube channel, I recommend you use your phone actually, because your phone's camera is so much better than your PC webcam. And then just to remind you again, if you don't know what you want to do for a side hustle, or maybe you've made up your mind and you're like, yes, I'm going to start something and I'm going to start it today, down in my description, you'll find the affiliate marketing starter kit that will help you get started right now, right here, today, setting up your affiliate link within 24 hours and get started with promoting it. It will help you to possibly make your first 3 sales in 30 days, give you scripted content for your Facebook posts or for any other social media posts, and messages how you can reach out to people to promote your affiliate link. It's right in the description below, the affiliate marketing starter kit. Wishing you well, and PS, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, up here is another video that you might enjoy about side hustles for women over 40. This channel, we talk about all things side hustles, and especially, like I discovered, I'm in perimenopause. I just get so frustrated when things don't work and I don't have the time to figure things out. In this channel, we're doing it together. I help you. I share what's working in side hustles and how you can start making money online as soon as possible. Have a fabulous day, everyone.